Namaste. Good morning. Class 8. Today our lesson is chapter 7, unit 7 and earthworm farming. Name of the lesson is earthworm farming, vermicomposting. In Nepali we can say Gadiole Mal. Gadiole Mal or Gadiola ko kheti. Don't write in Nepali. Earthworm is called Gadiola in Nepali. So earthworm fertilizer is also very good fertilizer. For this we have to cultivate earthworm. We have to rear earthworm, Gadiola. Gadiola earthworm we have to rear. Earthworm is like that. Different types of earthworms are found in the soil. Some are found in outer layer of the soil and some are inside the soil. Different species of earthworms are there. Earthworm eat soil and other organic materials, other biodegradable materials like dung of animal, leaves, pieces of a straw. These things earthworm eat. And when earthworm pass a stool, this stool is grainy, like grain-like structure. This stool of earthworm is like that structure. So this grain-like structure is like a type of fertilizer we can scatter in our field. This grain-like structure, a stool of earthworm, and it is very much useful. It makes the soil fertile and gives nutrients to the soil. And earthworm, this earthworm itself is also very good. We can put this earthworm also in our field. Earthworm is present in the soil, in which area that soil is loose. That soil will be loose and fertile because earthworm make hole inside the soil. So it is also called farmer's friend. Earthworm is farmer's friend. How? Explain, verify, justify. This type of question is asked. Earthworm is a farmer's friend. How? Clarify this statement. So, earthworm is farmer's friend in this way because it makes the soil loose, make small tiny holes inside the soil, maintain water level in the soil where earthworm is present. That soil is moisture is present in that soil where earthworm is present. So earthworm is very useful for the agriculture, and we have to rear earthworm in different way, by piling up method also. Technique for earthworm cultivation, piling up method. Tank, we can make one tank in one hole or ditch inside the ground and then put a stone or brick by the side of the hole. We can make hole like that in the ground and then put brick in by the side of the hole or a stone like this. Put brick or a stone by the side of the hole. This is like a tank. It is one tank. In this we can do rearing of earthworm. Put now biodegradable materials, dung, pieces of straw, vegetables, fruits, and then put earthworm. Then put earthworm there. Put earthworm. And also time to time we have to put water. After 2 months, it will increase triple. If you have put 100 earthworm, after 2 months it will be 200 means 300. If you have put 200 earthworm, after 2 months it will be 600. Triple. It will increase triple in number. Maybe less or more, but it is one average that is given in our book. So, and there are different species of earthworm. I write about a species, then again describe about the method. Different species of earthworm. Excreta of earthworm. This is earthworm. Species. Some species of earthworm earthworm. Some species of earthworm are there given. Eudrilus, Eugenie, and Insignia foetida, etc. Eudrilus, Eugenie, and Insignia foetida. These are the some species of earthworm. Eudrilus, Eugenie, and Insignia foetida. Some earthworms will live present upper level of the soil and some are inner. Some will make hole inside the soil and live inside the soil. Some will live upper surface of the soil. And we can cultivate any type of earthworm. Earthworm eats 90% soil and 10% natural materials. Earthworm eats 90% of soil and 10% of natural materials. Now there is technique about piling up method. Technique of layering of earthworm. You write this. I will clean now. prepare technique of preparing of earthworm fertilizer. Earthworm fertilizer. Preparing of earthworm fertilizer. First method is given there, piling up method. Piling up method. For this, we have to deposit some biodegradable components like dung of animal, pieces of straw or grasses. We have to put in one side of our field or in one side of our garden, like this. Pile up some where here we have to pile up some dung and other components in one side of our garden. Dung, D-U-N-G, dung, then straw, pieces of straw. Pieces of straw, grasses, vegetables, etc. Dung, pieces of straw, grasses, vegetables, etc. we have to put there. Pile or deposit these biodegradable substances, organic substances. Then we can catch earthworm and put, make hole in that, make hole and put earthworm, catch earthworm and put there, make hole, a small hole by using a stick and put earthworm in these holes. It will increase triple in number after 2 months. If you have put 50, after 2 months it will be 150. If you have put 100, after 2 months it will be 300. Or if you have put 200, after 2 months it will be 600. So in this way, the earthworm will increase in number. And when it will be, the earthworm will eat biodegradable substances and pass a stool like this, grain like a structure. This stool will be also collected in that file, and earthworm will also increase in number. If there is no more water, moisture, sometimes we have to put water also, time to time. We have to put water there in this pile and earthworm will increase. So in this way we can, and after 2 months, if it is ready, we can mix this whole pile, we can collect from there and we can put in our agricultural land or farming land. Earthworm and everything from this pile, we have to scatter in our farming land, mix in the soil. We have to mix in the soil, and after that we can start agriculture, cultivation of any types of crops. So this is piling up method, and now in this moment I want to say you goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you, and read this lesson 2-3 times. Write this in your copy also, what I have written there.